What if I told you that time travelers might already be living among us? What if someone from the year 2036 came back, warned us about the future, and then disappeared without a trace? No machine, no proof, just a mystery that still haunts the internet today. This is Fact Lab X. And today we ask, what if you met a real-time traveler? And why haven't we seen any if time travel is possible? Time travel has always been our biggest fantasy. From movies like Interstellar and Back to the Future, to scientific theories by Albert Einstein. But here's the real question. If time travel is possible, why haven't we met even a single real-time traveler? Or what if we already did, and we just didn't believe them? The strange man named John Teeter in the year 1998, a man using the name John Teeter appeared on online forums. He claimed something unbelievable. He said, "I am a soldier from the year 2036. I was sent back to the year 1975 on a secret mission. I only stopped here in 1998 for personal reasons." People laughed at him, but then he started answering questions. Not like a troll, not like a liar, but like someone who actually knew the future. He described his time machine, called C204 Time Displacement Unit, built by General Electric in the year 2034. He even uploaded diagrams, explaining how it used two miniature black holes to bend space-time. John said his mission was to recover an old IBM 5100 computer, because in the future, a nuclear war would destroy most of the world's technology. And then, in March 2001, he disappeared. No goodbye. No more messages. Was he real? A genius hoax? Or an actual time traveler? Is time travel even possible? To answer this, we need to understand Einstein's theory of relativity. Einstein said that time is not fixed. Time can stretch and bend, just like space. Together, they form the space-time continuum, and gravity can bend it. Imagine space and time like a stretched rubber sheet. If you place something heavy, like a star or a planet, it creates a dent. That dent is gravity, and the stronger the gravity, the slower time moves. So if you stood near a black hole where gravity is extreme, time for you would pass much slower than time for someone on Earth. This is called time dilation. Real-time travel is already happening, believe it or not. We already have real-time travelers. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station travel at 28,000 km/h around Earth. Because of their speed and lower gravity, they age slower than us, not by years, but by milliseconds. Yes, they are literally living in the future a little ahead of us. So time travel to the future is scientifically proven. But traveling to the past? That's where things get dangerous. Traveling to the past for that, you'd need something powerful enough to bend time backward, like a black hole, or even better, a wormhole. A wormhole is like a tunnel that connects two distant points in space and time. Enter through one side, and you could exit years, centuries, or even millennia away. Sounds perfect, right? Well, there's a problem. Wormholes are incredibly unstable. They appear at a microscopic level and collapse in a fraction of a second. To keep one open long enough for a human to pass through, you'd need something called exotic matter, material with negative energy. Scientists have never seen it, but they believe it might exist. So theoretically, traveling to the past is possible. Practically, we still don't know how. Stephen Hawking's time traveler party in 2009. Physicist Stephen Hawking performed a brilliant experiment. He hosted a party for time travelers, but he only sent out the invitations after the party was over. He sat alone, waiting. No one came. Hawking said, "If time travelers from the future exist, they should have appeared at my party. Does that mean time travel is impossible?" Not exactly. It only means that no one from the future came, or wanted to come. So where are the time travelers? Here are the most popular theories. They exist, but they're hiding. Time travel could be highly classified. Only governments or secret organizations may know about it. They follow the Time Traveler Code. Maybe time travelers have strict rules. Never reveal your identity, never change a major event, never interfere with history. They came, but we didn't notice. They look like us. They talk like us. They could be anywhere. Time travel only goes forward. Maybe we can only go to the future, never to the past. Once a moment is gone, it's gone forever. The multiverse theory, maybe every time someone time travels, they don't come to our timeline. They enter a parallel universe, a different version of reality. So we never meet them, because they never arrived here. What if you met a time traveler? Imagine someone approaches you tomorrow. They know things about the future. They warn you about disasters, earthquakes, wars, diseases. They show you futuristic devices, technology you've never seen before. Would you believe them, or would you think they're crazy? Even if a real-time traveler stood in front of us, proving it would be almost impossible. They could be tested for knowledge of the future technology, genetic differences, or they could simply take you with them on a journey. Maybe we already met a time traveler. Maybe they tried to warn us. Maybe we ignored them, or perhaps time travelers avoid us because one small change could destroy the future. What if a person from the future told you not to upload a video? What if that video was meant to inspire someone? Someone who later becomes the scientist who saves the world? One small change could erase an entire future. So, is time travel real? Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow. But one thing is certain, time is not as simple as we think. And if you're listening, you're officially invited to Stephen Hawking's party for time travelers. Location, University of Cambridge. Date, June 28, 2009. No need to RSVP, just show up. Whenever you're ready, this is Fact Lab X, and if you could travel through time, where would you go? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because your future self might thank you for it.